Ever tried doing one simple action in crypto, like swapping or bridging, but ended up with half of it working and the other half stuck in limbo? Yeah, that's because rollups don't coordinate. And when your apps are spread across chains, everything falls apart. But what if all rollups could talk to the same brain? So your entire transaction worked or failed as one. And that's what Rome unlocks for you. But what makes Rome tick? We already know Ethereum rollups are like fast express lanes. But today, we are answering the next big question. How does Rome make all these lanes sync up and work together flawlessly? Because right now, they don't. Let's say you're using a DeFi app that borrows on Arbitrum and trades on Optimism. That's two rollups, two sequencers, and zero coordination. Your borrow might succeed, but your trade might fail. And now you have got debt and no trade. That's called partial execution, and it's a nightmare for developers and users. Rome solves this with something called a shared sequencer. Instead of each rollup running its own transaction timeline, they all plug into one shared timeline, and Rome becomes the brain that schedules the order transactions across all participating rollups. So when you click one button in a cross-chain app, Rome makes sure everything happens in sync. No more hoping each part lands. You either get everything or nothing. And that's called atomic execution. Like ordering a burger and fries, Rome ensures you get both or the kitchen cancels the whole thing. But how does Rome pull this off? Let's break it down. So Rome is built on Solana, which gives it speed, but it connects to Ethereum through Neon EVM. So it speaks solidity, just like your favorite dApps. Now within Rome, there are two main power tools, RIA and Remus. RIA, the sequencer manager, it decides the order of cross rollup transactions and publishes them. While Remus, the execution engine, it ensures everything gets processed correctly on each rollup. Think of RIA as the project manager and the Remus as the engineer who gets it all built flawlessly and on time. For developers, this means no more juggling multiple rollups as decays. No more stitching together fragile bridges. Just build once and let Rome handle the orchestration. You want to run a game that needs high-speed logic on one rollup and settlement on other? Go for it. Want your DeFi app to build liquidity from 3 different chains seamlessly? Done. For users, Rome means no more switching wallets. No more weird approvals or paying gas on 4 different chains. It just works. One click, one flow, and complete execution. Without Rome, rollups are fragmented towns with their own traffic lights. And with Rome, they become a coordinated city grid. Fast, synced, and smooth to move through. It's the foundation for a composable connected Web3, where apps can scale across chains and still feel like one experience. So the next time you hear shared sequencer or atomic execution, you'll know what they really mean. Not just buzzwords, but the backbone of a better, smoother Ethereum. And in our next video, we'll cover how Rome keeps all of this secure and decentralized without becoming a single point of failure. Because scaling Web3 shouldn't mean sacrificing trust.